Hello everyone and welcome to our video on diabetes. Diabetes is a chronic disease that affects millions of people worldwide. In this video, we will explore the causes, symptoms, and treatment options for diabetes. So, let's get started. What is diabetes? Diabetes is a disease that occurs when your blood glucose, also known as blood sugar, is too high. Glucose comes from the food you eat and is the main source of energy for your body. Insulin, a hormone made by the pancreas, helps glucose from food get into your cells to be used for energy. However, when your body doesn't produce enough insulin or doesn't use it effectively, glucose builds up in your blood, leading to diabetes. There are three main types of diabetes: type 1, type 2, and gestational diabetes. Type 1 diabetes is an autoimmune disease that occurs when the pancreas doesn't produce enough insulin. Type 2 diabetes is more common and occurs when your body doesn't use insulin effectively. Gestational diabetes occurs during pregnancy and usually goes away after delivery. Some common symptoms of diabetes include increased thirst, frequent urination, hunger, fatigue, blurred vision, and slow healing of cuts or bruises. However, some people with diabetes may not experience any symptoms at all. The exact cause of diabetes is unknown, but certain risk factors can increase your chances of developing the disease. These risk factors include being overweight or obese, having a family history of diabetes, being physically inactive, and having high blood pressure or high cholesterol. There is currently no cure for diabetes, but there are ways to manage the disease. Treatment options for diabetes include healthy eating, regular exercise, monitoring blood sugar levels, taking medications as prescribed, and insulin therapy for people with type 1 diabetes. Preventing diabetes is possible. Some things you can do to lower your risk of developing diabetes include maintaining a healthy weight, exercising regularly, eating a balanced diet, quitting smoking, and managing stress levels. In conclusion, diabetes is a serious disease that affects millions of people worldwide. If you think you may have diabetes or are at risk of developing it, talk to your healthcare provider. Remember, early detection and treatment can help you manage the disease and prevent complications. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe to our channel for more health-related content.